So well guys, today I'm going to talk about the area which is only for crew members. You can see this, and the area name is the N95. Now you can see this is called N95. Now this can take you to one end to the nether end without stepping a foot in a passenger area. It's so huge. Now what all you can get? You can get all these walls. It's nicely painted. You can have the HR resources information about it. You have HR office, you have the gangway. Now you also have the crew area. Now this is the cabins of the crew. You can see right now. Yeah, you can go down from here to the another. It is going down, you can see. Now we also have the passenger lift. You can see, oh, such a lovely lift. Now we also have crew office, finance office. You can see the HR center. If you have any problem, you can talk to the HR. We also have certain area called the medical facility. You can check it right now. There are timings, so that time you can go and talk to the doctor. We also have the laundry. You can just go down. You can see crew laundry. Yes, this is the crew laundry where you can go ahead and wash your clothes. I have already made a video. You can watch it on my channel in detail. Now this is the area of N95. We also have the gym. This N95 is such a huge place. You can see we also have such a beautiful gym for crew members. Now beside gym we also have the crew bar, and so we have so many stuff in crew bar. You can see we have pool table, we have relaxing chairs, we have PS4s available, we have drinks. This is a drink counter. This is a music counter where you can just sing. We have table tennis and foosball, so many stuff. We also have storeroom. You can see where we stuck up the food. We have crew mess, staff mess, officer mess, security office, the photo lab, and many other stuff like a garbage room and etc, etc. So these all thing you can find it on N95 guys. So I hope you like this video and have little understanding about the cruise ship. So I will see you in my next video. So bye then, bye from Cruising with Goldy.